Now, guys, you recognize this, right? This is Ackee, this is Ackee. And of course, this one is Grace, which is the name that we all grew up with in Jamaica. We love it. It's the name above all names. It's a trusted brand. And of course, you have Linstead. Now, of course, I come from Spanish Town, so, Linstead market was a good market for me. But now they have their brand. But today, I was making Ackee, and I just pulled one of the can, didn't care which one. And I noticed something different, right? Look, of course, we're not in Jamaica anymore, so we have to be importing all of this stuff. But look at the back. What I noticed here, it says product of Jamaica, right? And of course, thank God this one was done in, let me see if I see it here. Packed by Grace on Harbor Street. So this one was packed in Jamaica. Because of late, we've been noticing that a lot of Grace products are being packed in China and Vietnam and sometimes India. So anyway, this one is packed. But look closely on the ingredients. It says Ackee, water, sugar. What the dickens sugar is doing in my Ackee? And that's why we are so addicted to products, because they keep adding sugar to everything. All it's supposed to have is Ackee water and salt. Right? Here they have sugar, calcium chloride, and citric acid. Now, Linstead. Of course, it says, let me say, this one is fine print, though, really fine. Because I'm like, Jesus, please, that's my ingredients. Look at the ingredients here. Oops, let me get closer. Ingredients: Jamaican Ackee, water, and salt. Pure. The salt, is just for preservative. But look at this. And this one, of course, was made in Jamaica too. Product of Jamaica, but it was produced in St. Thomas. So it come directly from yard. But the difference between the two is because them add sugar to this. Right? So now I will no longer buy this trusted brand. Because that's why all of we have diabetes. Because everything in America, them add sugar to it. And now my trusted Grace start add sugar to me Ackee. What me need sugar in a Ackee for? The saltfish or the piece of pork is good enough seasoning. I do not need any sweetness in my Ackee. So, guys, make sure you read your labels, right? And I'm just comparing these two because I know they have other brands of Ackee. But before you decide to buy, turn this sucker around. Look where they produce it. Make sure so they're not come from China or Vietnam, because so them not have, we don't know about them if they stick to the rules of hygiene and all of that stuff when they're packing stuff. But make sure, say, one, produce a yard, right? So it have our address where it definitely was packed from, and that it doesn't have anything other than the basic 3 ingredients, which is Ackee, salt, and water. That's it. All right. That's my preaching for the day. And that's my health tip for the day. So this is your girl Des, just popping in and giving you a little tip on what to look out for on these labels.